And again. Yeah. Work on this shit up. Go through that. Go to the other side, you're just loosening it up. Put the flat side in there. There you go. And that mark is shallower.
What's that? Is that it? Okay, so I could just keep
Center stock on the other side. Yeah.
We have quite so much lean and pitch. Okay, that allows you for good pitch on a foot.
There it is. Yeah. You can hear it.
Yeah.
No, probably don't need probably by the time you get the peel done, if you've got enough to turn that branch or whatever, by the time you get the peel, some of this to it. Yeah. Solar, whenever you got to come on, but that's excessive. How it's on it, like an edge, something, yeah, the edge that comes on. You can use it.
Can I punch this?
Yeah.
Should I mark? So I haven't